Global markets shaken, tariff turmoil and Middle East tensions.
Welcome to the Global Pulse for February 23, 2026. Today, we track a legal earthquake in Washington that has reignited global trade fears, a legislative showdown over military powers in the Middle East, and the massive infrastructure costs of the AI revolution. Markets are on edge as the world's leading economies face a day of profound uncertainty. A major shift in global trade today as President Donald Trump challenges a U.S. Supreme Court ruling that declared his previous emergency tariffs illegal. In a series of social media posts, the president warned that countries attempting to capitalize on the court's decision will face even steeper penalties, suggesting a new 15% global tariff. This legal battle has sent shockwaves through international markets, with the U.S. dollar falling and stock futures dropping. Key trading partners, including China, India, and the European Union, are already reevaluating their trade agreements. This escalation threatens to dismantle months of delicate negotiations and signals a period of high-stakes volatility for global commerce. Congress moves to limit presidential war powers amid Iran tensions.
Tensions in the Middle East have reached a critical point as the U.S. Congress prepares a historic vote to limit the president's war powers. This move comes as the administration weighs potential military strikes against Iran, with a U.S. aircraft carrier now positioned in the Mediterranean. Lawmakers from both sides are pushing for a requirement of congressional approval before any offensive military action. Meanwhile, Tehran is reportedly preparing a counterproposal to avoid direct conflict, though regional security remains on high alert. The standoff has caused immediate ripples in the energy sector, with oil prices fluctuating as the world watches for a potential shift in U.S. foreign policy.
EV market chill. Renault consolidates electric van venture. In the automotive world, the transition to electric vehicles is hitting a speed bump. French car maker Renault has announced it will take full control of Flexus, its electric van joint venture, by buying out partners Volvo Group and shipping giant CMA CGM. The move follows a significant slowdown in electric van registrations across the European Union, which fell nearly 9% last year. Renault CEO François Provost is moving to streamline operations and bring electric vehicle production back in-house to combat market volatility. This consolidation highlights the growing challenges for legacy automakers as they struggle to balance high investment costs with cooling consumer demand for electric fleets.
The AI energy hunger. Dominion boosts spending for data centers. The artificial intelligence boom is placing an unprecedented strain on the world's energy infrastructure. Dominion Energy, a major U.S. utility provider, has announced a massive 30% increase in its 5-year capital spending plan, reaching nearly $65 billion. This surge is driven almost entirely by the soaring electricity demands of data centers, which are the backbone of modern AI and cryptocurrency operations. Despite the massive investment, the company's profit forecast fell short of Wall Street expectations due to rising operational costs. This development underscores a critical global challenge. As the digital economy grows, the physical power grid must undergo a multi-billion-dollar transformation to keep the lights on.
This was Global Pulse Daily News Summary. Source link is always in our description or in our videos. Subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.